Hi everyone. Earlier we learned that the particular sound made by respective swar is represented as matra in a word. In this video, we'll learn how we can frame a word using matra I and E. Now swar I is represented as this matra in a word. For example, heart. Heart in Hindi is dil. So this makes E sound. So how we can break this down? So we'll take Vyanjan the and then we'll add E matra to this. So that would make di, and then we'll take Vyanjan la, which will make dil. Let's take another example. Pillow. Pillow in Hindi is takiya. Now this word has two swar in it. One E that we're doing right now and then A that we did in last video. So let's break this word down. So we'll take Vyanjan the, and just like I told before, we'll take Vyanjan ka and then we'll add matra E to it. That will make ki. Then Vyanjan ya and swar a, which is represented as its matra, and together this will make takiya. Now let's take matra E. Now this E swar is represented as this matra in a word. So unlike E, which goes on the left of the Vyanjan, matra E goes on the right of the Vyanjan. It'll be more clear if you take an example. So let's do that. River. River in Hindi is Nadi. So let's break this down. So we'll take Vyanjan na and then we'll take Vyanjan the, and on the right of it we'll add this matra. So that together it will make the word Nadi. Let's take another example. Wall. Wall in Hindi is Diwar. Now this word again has two swar in it, one E and A. So let's break this down. So you'll take Vyanjan the and then like we discussed, we'll add matra E to the right of the, that will make D. Then we'll take Vyanjan va, we'll take matra A and then we'll take Vyanjan ra, and together this will make Diwar. In our next videos, we will see how we can frame word using swar U and U. Happy word making, guys!